Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process of activating and logging into your Merrick Bank credit card. Whether you're a new cardholder or just need a refresher, following these steps will ensure you have quick access to your account. Step 1. Visit the Merrick Bank website. Open your web browser and navigate to the official Merrick Bank website at www.merrickbank.com. Ensure you are on the genuine site for security reasons. Step 2. Find the activation section. On the homepage, look for the Activate Card link. This is usually located at the top of the page or within the main menu. Click on it to proceed to the activation page. Step 3. Enter your card information. On the activation page, you will be prompted to enter your credit card information. Provide your full card number, expiration date, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. Make sure all details are correct to avoid any issues. Step 4. Verification process. If you encounter any issues during activation or login, verify that you are entering the correct information. If problems persist, consider using the Forgot Password link to reset your password or contact Merrick Bank customer service for assistance. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful guides. Thank you for watching and happy banking. After entering your details, click Submit to proceed. The system will verify your information. If everything checks out, you will receive a confirmation that your card has been activated. Step 5. Logging into your account. Once your card is activated, navigate back to the Merrick Bank homepage. Instead of the Activate Card link, look for the Login button. Click on it to access the login page. Step 6. Enter your login credentials. On the login page, enter your username and password in the designated fields. If you are a first-time user, you may need to register for online access before logging in. Step 7. Access your account. After entering your credentials, click on the Login button. You should now have access to your Merrick Bank online account, where you can view transactions, make payments, and manage your credit card features. Step 8. Troubleshooting.